Welcome back. Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here to show us the perfect Super Bowl game dip. Hi, Ange.
Hi, thanks for having me, Mark. You know, it is the week of the big game, and we've got you covered with a lot of great Wisconsin cheese recipes. So, whether you're looking for a little inspiration for a Wisconsin cheese board, we have dips, sandwiches, pizzas, you name it, getting ready for the big game. So I chose one of the easiest recipes, and I think it's great to make your recipes ahead of time so that you can have everything ready just in time for the game. So this is a queso dip you can make ahead of time and put it in the crock pot and keep it warm. So you're going to start out in a saucepan over low heat. You're going to melt some real Wisconsin butter. You're going to add in some flour, a little cumin, and a little garlic powder to thicken the base of your sauce. And then we also have some milk in this recipe as well, so lots of dairy. Once you bring those three ingredients to a boil on your stovetop, you're going to keep whisking them together. You're going to add the star ingredient, which is 2.5 cups of Wisconsin shredded Havarti cheese. It's going to add a lot of creaminess to your cheese dip and a lot of flavor as well. And then you can see I also added in 1 1/2 cups of fresh pico de gallo. And so the dip is really creamy. You can serve it hot, you can serve it warm. It's just a great way to enjoy throughout the entire game. So if you've never bought Havarti before, it's a great cheese. We have several Wisconsin cheese companies that make Havarti and a lot of local producers as well. So always look for that proudly Wisconsin cheese mark when you're buying your cheese. And also, we've won over 200 awards for our Havarti alone. So there's so many different options when you're getting ready for the big game this weekend.
All right, lots of good stuff.
Lots of great stuff. So check it out at wisconsincheese.com. You can find this delicious queso dip recipe as well as a lot of other ideas for the weekend.
All right, Angie, have a great time. Thank you.